Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Miss Event Planner. If you guys are new here, think about subscribing. I'd love to have you as part of the family. Our balloon garland we're making, I'm trying out this shimmer and confetti kit. This is coming together with the groupings. It's looking a lot better. So I'll show you guys the after. This is my first time purchasing a full kit like this, and I really did like it. It was super easy to make, so I'm just going to show you a little bit behind the scenes and then wait till the end so you can see how it looked at my actual event. So you're just going to take the tail of the balloon that you blew up with your balloon pump. You're just going to insert the tail into the bigger hole and then kind of slide it over to the smaller hole and make sure it's in there tightly and secure. Hey guys, so this is how we're looking right now. Do not mind that over there. That will be taken care of one day, no, like next week. But this is what we kind of got going on for this party. This is the first time I've been using the little like balloon strip to make the garland, and I have to say it was a lot faster, and I think I did end up using less balloons, so I do really like that and might use it for the future. But even my husband noticed like how fast we got it done, so I do like it. There's supposed to be some like 36 inches ones, but this might not even fit in my car. If not, I'll blow them up there if I have time. If not, I'm just gonna pass on them. So I will link everything in the description box. Everything that you see here on this backdrop mostly actually came from Amazon, so I will have the exact links to everything below. So here's how my balloon garland looked at the event. It was so cute. Everybody really loved it. They loved the rainbow pastel balloons, and then they really loved the foil star, so I will link those down below as well. It was super cute. And if you guys want to see the full setup of how I did this unicorn party, go ahead and click the video in the iCard and in the description box so you can see more details of the party. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you haven't already, think about subscribing.